Hi everyone! In this video we're going to be covering a couple of accessories you may want to have in your camera bag at all times. And for that we have a couple of cool gadgets from Smallrig. First we're going to talk about is this one, which I've owned for some time and which goes everywhere with me, and that is, it's kind of a plate that you use to hold screwdrivers and Allen wrenches and various screws and things you may need to have on your camera. And there you can see you have a whole selection built that actually come with the set. This is all of what comes with this set, and it's all arranged very nicely on this metal plate. Really high quality stuff, all metal. I love it. You can see we have a flat screwdriver here. It's got a tiny little wrench, Allen wrench on the end, and you've got a big flat screwdriver on that end. And the same thing is on the Night Eagle camera cage, which actually I have on my Nikon Z8 right here. As you can see, you've also got one of those underneath the camera, and they're really handy to have, especially like attaching and detaching tripod quick release plates, and just in general very handy tool to have. You've got that. They clip in magnetically on this plate, and I have had that Night Eagle cage for over a year now, and the magnetic wrench that's clipped on the underside of it has not gotten lost. That is incredible given what I put my camera gear through. So yeah, the stuff isn't coming loose from this plate anytime soon, and it comes with this nice padded bag here, so you're not going to have to worry about losing anything off of this set. And these Allen wrenches also all clip in magnetically. Really nice. You've got several different sizes, something for pretty much any situation. Very, very handy indeed. And all these different sizes of screws and things, so if you happen to lose like some important screw on your camera or anywhere in your kit, you can replace it with these. So that's just great to have that to fall back on here. Anyway, that's about it for that. Really high quality, definitely something just to keep with you. And it has all these extra spaces, so if you do need to disassemble something, you can just screw it right into there, so you don't lose any of your those little screws that can quite so easily get lost if you're not careful. So we'll put that back in its little baggie, set it to the side. The next thing here is something new. So I'm just unboxing this for the first time. This is the Hunter Photo Foldable Multi-Tool Kit. And this has a bunch of different tools on it that are just really, really useful to have. It comes with its own little case. I do like that they come in their own little cases, because that way when you have it in your camera bag, you don't have just like bare metal from either of these tools that can come into contact directly with more delicate objects. You have this really kind of important detail right there. Now, as you can see, this has a lot of little attachments in there, or not attachments, but tools. First of all, got this flat piece here. It's basically a flathead screwdriver, and it pops out, locks like that, and pops back in. And I could see a lot of different uses for that. In addition to screwing in quick release plates again on for tripods. If you have something that's stuck somewhere, I don't know. Anyway, I kind of like having a big flathead tool like that. Okay, now to release the other tools, we fold these levers to the side, and that pops out, and you have 3/16, 2.5. Let back in, pull that out. We have a 3 and a 4. I'm just reading the numbers off of them here. Now on the top here, we've got this kind of bit. On the other, got 3/16. Oh, wait a minute. What am I looking at? Huh. Let's fold all of them out here. Okay, there we go. I just got very, very mixed up. So, we've got your typical Phillips head right there. We've got 3 4 size. We've got the 2.5, 3/16, and this odd shaped head. So you've got a lot of different options right in there for different bits, and of course the flat head in the back. So that's what it looks like all folded out. Pretty cool. And like, both of these tools are things I think are very, very handy to have in your camera bag at all times. Even if you don't use them regularly, in a pinch, having a tool such as this or such as this, either one of these tools is just something that can really save your bacon, honestly. And you may have noticed that I'm fairly well lit here. I'm using the RC100C Cobb video light kit that I covered in a previous video. So if you want to see more about that light, you can go watch that video. And I'm going to film another video about another Smallrig accessory right after this. So without further ado, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all again next time. Bye!